But I want to ask you something, because you see, even though this is essentially correct, we need to see it all in perspective. Is the purpose of food to prevent starvation? Is the purpose of breathing to prevent asphyxiation? Well, it would seem so. So it's in this context that we think of the purpose of truth to solve problems. So you need the truth when you have the problems, and when your problems are solved, you don't need it anymore. But you see, actually, if we learn to eat and breathe correctly, then starvation and asphyxiation lose all relevance for us. They just don't exist in our life. They're not even possibilities. They become a part of the rhythm of life, and they're not last-ditch efforts to save us from difficulties. So that we need then to understand and to take this step beyond, where we see the truth not as simply a problem-solving series of techniques, but as a fundamental key to abundant life. When we really begin to use the truth, we're not simply using it to solve problems, but we actually come to the consciousness where problems have lesser and lesser experience for us. And finally, we don't even see problems as a part of our life, but we know the truth because it keeps us in tune with the dynamic upward swing of life. Jesus says, "Take no thought what you shall eat and what you shall drink, but seek first the kingdom of God, and all these things shall be added." He's saying, take your mind off the idea of making demonstrations in life and begin to center your thoughts in a deeper awareness of life, and ultimately you come to know that your demonstrations will make you.